Hey everybody, today's exercise is a reverse lunge with a kickstand deadlift. I'm going to show you on one side. Have my dumbbell, hold it with each hand on each end. So let's start with the left leg. Reverse lunge, here's what it looks like. Down, stand. Now my left foot is a kickstand, my heel is up. Deadlift. Hinge from the hip. Again, lunge, stand, kickstand, deadlift. Now if you're like, oh, I just don't have my balance, put your weight in your right hand only. Come near a wall. Do your reverse lunge, stand, kickstand, deadlift. Make it work for you. I'm going to show you sideways. Okay? Reverse lunge, follow it down the wall, come up, kickstand the right leg, and down. So now I'm going to face you. I'm going to switch legs. Right, reverse lunge, step it back, lunge, kickstand, deadlift. Now, what if you can't lunge back and keep your back straight? Step back, step forward, kickstand, deadlift. So let's try that again. Hold it with both hands, step back, give me a little one, step forward, that right heel is up, hinge from your hip. Reverse lunge with a kickstand deadlift. I'll see you on your mat next time. Bye.